In this video, we're going to discuss how to make a simple classifier using nearest neighbors. Let us discuss an example to see how the nearest neighbor classifier works. Let's take k, the amount of nearest neighbors, to be equal to 3. Now we get this data on the slide. We have some tomatoes in the top right and we have some tangerines in the bottom left. And in between we have a new object indicated by the question mark. How does the nearest neighbor classifier make a prediction for this object? First, we find the k nearest neighbors of this object. I have circled the neighbors in the plot. Now the nearest neighbor classifier will predict the majority class of the nearest neighbors. What is the majority here? The majority here is tangerine. So the nearest neighbor classifier predicts tangerine for the question mark. To check your understanding, I have this new data set with another question mark. Now my question to you is, what is the prediction for the KNN classifier with k equal to 5? Please pause the video and take a moment to think about this, and afterward we discuss the results. Okay, welcome back. I hope that you saw that these are the 5 nearest neighbors. So we have 2 tangerines and we have 3 tomatoes. Therefore, the majority is tomato, so the nearest neighbor classifier predicts tomato for the question mark. Let's do one more example to check your understanding. In this case, we have this data set over here with another question mark. What is the prediction if we use k equal to 1? Please pause the video, figure it out, and afterward we discuss the results. Okay, welcome back. So k equals to 1. So we have to find one neighbor, and we find this neighbor which is a tangerine. Now we have to take the majority. This might seem a little bit confusing, but if you have to take the majority of just one sample, you just take that sample as the majority. So here tangerine is the majority, so the nearest neighbor classifier predicts tangerine.